such that we can give you our votes this time. Thank you.
Point taken. Thank you. Gentleman.
Francis Amato is my name. Tony Lumanika, you are known to be a destructive leader to students' rights advocacy, evidenced by not advocating for the retention of the office of the bursar here. As you communicated in your manifesto, you have been in JRC representing students. What views did you add, and what kind of criticism has been presently labeled you with when you opposed the deal? Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Pick the microphone again and ask. Be very brief so that the point is taken.
You are known to be a disruptive leader to students' rights advocacy, evidenced by refusing to present the students' views when the office was secret. And yet your office as a good house was well informed that they are going to send the office, and you are the representing some part of students. Which voice did you add to the safety so that the office will be retained here? Thank you.
Talk it here. I said you have been known as a disruptive leader to students' rights advocacy, evidenced by not advocating for students' rights of retaining the office of the bursar here at many campuses. Since the Guild House was well informed about the development of seats in the office, now tell us, which kind of critique did the Guild President put against you when you were advocating for the rights of students? Thank you.